Okay, here with our nutshell Pram Excuse Me. We got the bottom work done, painted, and we put on the little brass keel strip today. Had to drill a hole for number 6 screw and then countersink so that screw head doesn't scrape on everything. Then we flipped her over and we threw the thwarts in just to see how things look. We got the primer on the inside. See, I've got a little bit of sanding to do. And see that dagger board's storage back here. And little brass keel strip comes on down, wraps up the back. And we're pretty happy with where we're at. Let's see, get her turned level here. Thwarts are ready to go in. We just, next we need to do a little sanding on the primer, not much. There's raise some grain on that bare wood when we put it on, and we'll knock off the very top chunks of it, but the rest of it we'll just consider it non-skid. Yeah, but don't want it to be too scratchy. But we'll take care of that in a few days after the helicopter flies over. The mast thwart, mast step, a good dagger board trunk. Maybe one more coat of varnish on the thwarts and get a coat on these gunnels. We put some more locks in, got to make a rudder. Need to drill a hole. Probably should have done that before I painted. Drill a hole up there in the bow transom for the painter. I did remember, per the plan, to drill the hole for the painter in the 4 keel. That would have been fun to try to drill later. And just above that 4 keel somewhere, there's a hole that goes out the bow. So where the painter goes through. So that's where we're at with our nutshell Pram. Got to go paint another shop stool and close up, go inside and enjoy the rest of the evening. That'll do it.